Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school software from your tablet. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand the potential consequences and limitations of this action. Always back up any personal data on your device to prevent loss. Additionally, take a moment to review your school's specific IT policy regarding software removal. This ensures you are aware of any rules or guidelines you might be violating, which is a very important first step. The most straightforward approach involves using your device's built-in uninstallation features. Navigate to your tablet's settings or control panel, then locate the section for installed applications. Find the specific school software you wish to remove and select the uninstall option. Carefully follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. After uninstallation, it's a good practice to restart your device to ensure all changes are fully applied and the software is completely gone. For more persistent software, you might need to explore advanced removal techniques. Consider utilizing reputable third-party uninstaller tools, which can often detect and remove stubborn programs more thoroughly. If the software is actively running and preventing removal, try booting your device into safe mode. Exercise extreme caution when modifying system files or registry entries, as incorrect changes can cause system instability. If you encounter significant difficulties, seeking assistance from IT support is always a wise decision. After successfully removing the software, take a few moments to verify its complete absence and ensure your device is functioning normally. Keep an eye out for any unexpected behavior or performance issues that might arise. Be aware that some school software might have mechanisms to automatically reinstall, so ongoing vigilance is key. For official guidance on managing your device and its software, always consult directly with your school's IT department. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.